Sino po ang ating representative? Ayun, ma'am, kayo na pala ang napili. Nako, what's your name, ma'am?
Ako po si Lisa Tuason. Si Jenny po, ako po yung nandun sa picture Singapore Days. Kaya nagkakilala kami ni Jenny sa Singapore. Nagkatapatan kami bagong employed ako, siya nandun. Taga saan ka? Sa Bicol. Very coincidence kasi taga-daet din po pala siya. Taga-daet din ako. Tulay na lupa lang siya. Kaya talagang, talaga yung tadhana, no? So, naging magkumari kami. Hanggang ngayon, yun, constant pa rin yung communication namin, ng aking kumaring Jenny, yan. Inaanak niya yung anak ko. Kaya kami ay, masaya kami, nandito kami. Talaga excited kami umattend. Taga-Borabod po kami sa Daet. Sila sa Magan. So, ang namin, we just want to wish you more birthday, I just want to declare this verse na to na para sa iyo, Jenny. Sabi dito sa 3 John 1:2, Dear friend, I pray that you may enjoy good health and that all may go well with you, even as your soul is getting along. Yan. Kaya ano man ang meron tayo dito, all wealth, ang mahalaga yung soul natin. Amen? So, just keep on trusting God. And the Lord, I know na bless ka talaga. And we pray na mas lalo ka pang i-bless ni Lord para maging blessing sa marami. Di ba? Masaya tayo. Kaya, thank you. We are so glad. At alam ko, ngayon ikaw yung pinakamagandang bilag sa gabing ito. Kaya, thank you, Ben.
Thank you very much po. Talaga namang si Miss Jenny ang woman of the hour. Ang babae ngayong gabi na nagningning for every one of us. Closer smile! Waki! Ang saya naman po talaga. Waki. Thank you so much. Enjoy the food. Ladies and gentlemen, maraming salamat po again for all your presence, love, and support. And tuloy-tuloy po tayo with our celebration. Napakarami pa rin po natin food for everybody. Let's enjoy. And for now, Miss Jenny will take a rest first. And also, you will enjoy the dinner. Samahan po natin si Miss Jenny. And we would like to invite still everybody. We have a very special presentation.
Happy 60th birthday, Ate Jimmy. Sana lagi kang masaya and lagi kang healthy. May you have many more happy birthdays to celebrate. God bless you.
Happy birthday, Ate Jenny from Toronto!
Hello, Ate Jenny. Happy 60th birthday. Ingat ka palagi. God bless.
Happy birthday, Ate Jenny. I know you almost have everything, but I wish you more than anything good health and happiness and more blessings so that you can be a blessing to many people. My fondest memory, as far as I can remember, was my once-in-a-lifetime holiday in America. That was 2010. With Mr. Bean and Aweng, and I celebrated my birthday in there. And whilst in a caravan with Tito Billy, you surprised me with a birthday cake, and I blow my candle as you guys sing me happy birthday on our road trip, which was very memorable. And another thing was, we traveled by your car all the way to Las Vegas. And as we were parking in a hotel, in a car park, we can see that very nice hotel which is called the Venetian. And in my heart, I was just hoping like, wow, it must be very expensive staying in that hotel. How I wish we are staying in that hotel. Little did we know is that you really reserved a room for us in the penthouse of the Venetian Hotel, which was very, very a surprise and really, really nice. So for the rest of my life, I will remember that. And thank you. Thank you for just being there for me, for us. And although we don't talk too much all the time, but I am very happy that the bonding that we have as Mago family cousins is very strong, and no one can break that, no matter the distance, no matter the conflict of our parents in the past. We are solid as Mago family. So thank you so much and happy birthday from London with love.
Hello, happy birthday, Ma'am Jen. More birthday to come. More blessings. Maraming salamat sa mga blessings na pinamigay nyo. Ingatan mo ang sarili, Ma'am Jen. Lalo na yung kalusugan. Marami ka pang matutulungan tao. Happy birthday, Ma'am.
Hi, Tita Jenny of California. Happy 60th birthday. Greetings from Sarah of Pennsylvania. I hope you have a blast and have a wonderful birthday.
Hi, Ate Jenny. I missed you. Happy 60th birthday. Greetings from Pennsylvania. Hope you have a wonderful birthday. I wish I'll be there to celebrate your senior citizen's birthday. Look at Sarah. She's taller than me now. Yeah. Again, happy birthday. Miss you.
Greetings from Canada, Ate Jenny. Happy 60th birthday. Enjoy your life, enjoy your birthday. Sana humaba pang buhay mo, marami pang taon na darating sa'yo para ma-enjoy mo ang iyong birthday. So, once again, happy birthday, 60th birthday again. Bye!
Hi Jenny, happy 60th birthday. Pasensya na hindi ako nakarating. God bless you. At sana lagi kang healthy. Happy birthday ulit.
Hello everyone, good day to all. To our special celebrant for today, wishing you a blessed year and a wonderful day of your 60th birthday. So happy 60th birthday, Ate Jenny. Thank you po for inviting me and being a part of your celebration today. Enjoy your special day and celebration of a most wonderful you. So congratulations po in your another year well spent. So pagpalain po kayo ng poong may kapal, kalooban po kayo ng malusog, malakas at kaligtasan sa araw-araw ng Panginoong Diyos. Thank you to Ate Gemma sa iyong walang sawang pagkunik sa akin, Ate Gemma. Salamat. So manawa po ay maging masaya kayong lahat dyan sa selebrasyon. Enjoy po. Ate Jenny, thank you po sa napaka-generous mo at napakabait mo po. Nawa ay maging masaya kayo sa araw na to kasama ang pamilya at mga kaibigan. So ako po ay hindi makauwi, hindi nakarating diyan, ngunit nandito rin po ako kasama ninyo. So hindi po ako makauwi, hindi pa ako pinayagan. So kita-kita po tayo next time, next year or Sunday na magkita-kita po tayo ulit, Ate Gemma, Ate Jenny. Maraming salamat po. I'm here from Hong Kong. I love you, Ate Gemma, Ate Jenny. Thank you po. Ingatan po ninyo ang inyong mga kalusugan. Maraming salamat. I love you.
Hello, happy 60th anniversary.
Happy birthday.
60, happy birthday, Jenny. How are you there? God bless.
Hello.
Ano pa? Sana nasa mabuti kang kalagayan sa iyong pamilya at you have a good job there. Happy birthday. Bigyan ka pa ni Lord ng mahabang buhay sa iyong mga pamilya. Miss you. Kailan ka uwi dito?
Jenny.
Tasan niya, Nay.
Hi, Jenny.
Hi, Jenny. Happy birthday, 60 ka na pala. Parehas na tayo na senior. Senior ka na, senior ka na rin yun. Dito ka na magkatabi kami na rin yun. Palit kami na rin yun. Happy birthday, 60 na Jenny.
Hi, Jenny. 60th birthday mo, ha? Happy birthday. Sana magkaroon pa ng maraming birthdays ka. Saka, ako, senior na din kami ni Mari dito, di ba? O senior ka na din pala. Sana magkaroon ka talaga ng masayang birthday talaga para, magkita-kita pa din tayo dito. Ha? Happy birthday, Jenny. God bless. God bless, yes.
Hello, Ma'am Jenny. Happy 60th birthday, Ma'am. Akala ko, Ma'am, 50 years old pa lang. Akala ko golden birthday. Anyway, thank you, Ma'am, for inviting me. But unfortunately, hindi po ako makaka-attend kasi hindi po pinayagan sa work. So, I would like to extend na lang po my warmest greetings in behalf of admins and members of iHeart Love International. We wish you good health, more blessings from God, and hopefully, marami ka pa pong mapasaya, especially sa group ng iHeart Love International. So, yun lang, ma'am. I hope you enjoy your day, and I wish you a year ahead filled with happiness and fulfillment. God bless, ma'am. Thank you so much.
Hello, Tita Jean. Happy 60th birthday po. Wish ko po na sana umabot ang inyong buhay at patuloy po na maging blessings pa sa maraming tao. Alam ko po kung gaano kayo kabuti, kaya patuloy po kayo bine-bless ni Lord. Alagaan niyo po ang inyong sarili. Muli po, happy birthday at ingat po sa inyong trabaho. Enjoy din po sa inyong bakasyon. Bye, Tita.
Isang maligayang pagbati sa iyong kaarawan mula sa pamilya ni Papa Pepe and Mama Nori dito sa Katanawan, Quezon. Kami po ay malututog bumabati ng happy 60th birthday, Ate Jenny. Naway ang pagpapala at biyaya ng Panginoon ay sumainyo. Bigyan ka pa niyo ng malusog at malakas na pangangatawan at lubayan ka sa mga gagawin sa buhay. And nawa po ay matupad niya kung ano man yung pangarap mo na ninanais sa hoping na makita-kita tayo ulit. And muli po kami ay bumabati ng happy birthday. God bless.
Hello, Ate Jen. Happy 60th birthday. Pasensya ka na, medyo hindi ako nakagawa ng magandang video mo kasi duty ako. I wish ko lang na more birthday. And sana marami kang matulungan sa mga kababayan natin. And sana makita-kita ulit tayo. More birthday para sa'yo. God bless.
Hello po. Happy 60th birthday po. Sorry po, hindi po ako makaka attend kasi po may laban po ako sa chess. I wish you have more birthdays to come and have good health. Enjoy the party po.
Hi Tita Jenny, happy birthday. Enjoy your day, stay dyan sa Pinas. And sana masulit mo yung mga discount and marami ka pang matulungan sa iyong pa-charity. Ayun lang, enjoy and see you soon.
Hi Jenny! Happy birthday! Happy 60th birthday to you! Wish you good health and more blessings to come. Always take care of yourself and God bless you. From Ate Juliet and family Hernandez in Antipolo. Bye! Happy birthday!
Hello, Nini. Happy birthday. May you have many more birthdays to come. We miss you a lot. Hope to see you soon. Happy 60th birthday, Ate Jerry!
Shout out kay Ate Gemma. Merry Christmas and happy birthday.
Hello Jenny, happy birthday. So, on your birthday, I wish and I pray that God blesses you with all the good things in life, and of course, stay healthy, your health, your happiness, and success. Enjoy your special day, and hope your dream comes true. So, happy birthday once again. Greetings from Hong Kong. Thank you so much. Enjoy your day.
Ate Jenny, bago kami bumati dahil sa iyong kaarawan, una sa lahat, gusto ko sanang sabihin sa iyo na maraming salamat sa tulong mo para sa amin. Hindi ka nagsasawang tumulong sa kay Mama, kay Ruel, lahat ng tulong binigay mo sa amin. Maraming salamat. Ang wish ko ngayong 60th birthday mo, sana more blessing, tapos more birthday to come. At higit sa lahat, ingatan mo yung good health mo, na maging mahaba pa yung buhay mo para marami ka pang tao matulungan. Sa muli, si Jenny, happy birthday sa iyo, 60th birthday mo. Happy birthday, Ate Jenny. Happy birthday. Happy birthday, Ma. Happy birthday, Ma.
Hello! Happy birthday, Jenny, from Muyargas family of Mangaldan, Pangasinan. We wish you good health and happiness always. Happy birthday, Ate Jenny. Stay pretty and stay healthy. Happy birthday, Jenny. More blessings. Hi, Nina Jenny. Happy birthday. Hello! Kumusta na kayong lahat dyan? Bebot, Ate Joy, Gemma, we miss you all. Good luck, happy birthday.
Hi, happy birthday. Enjoy your day. First of all, I would like to thank you for all the support na binigay niyo sa akin from the start. Since nag-college ako, tinulungan niyo po ako hanggang makapunta ako dito sa Canada. So, sobrang thankful po ako na nandyan ka po palagi for me, na whenever I need the support, like hindi lang po financially, kahit saang bagay, andyan ka po lagi for me. So, thank you so much po. You really deserve all the blessings you have. And yeah, just enjoy your day and enjoy your birthday. Enjoy your celebration, and please just continue to be kind. And again, happy birthday, Mommy. I'm wishing you a good health and more birthdays to come. And, yeah, that's all. Happy birthday, Mommy. I love you so much. I miss you. See you soon.
Hello, Tita. I usually don't feel myself, pero for you I will.
greet you happy birthday and also happy birthday na rin kay Kuya Minay. So yeah, happy birthday to you both and may all your wishes and dreams comes true. So yeah, enjoy your vacation and have a lovely, beautiful day. And yeah, so stay safe and God bless to you both. Love you.
Once again, thank you very much. The biggest round of applause. Isang masigabong palakpakan po for everybody. I have a very special request for everybody po. Sana kung gaano po tayo karami ngayon, until the end of the program, sana po manatili po kayo. For now, again, let's enjoy pa rin po ang ating dinner. Tuloy-tuloy pa rin po tayo with our socials with everybody. And we have a very special live band performance. So, habang po nag-rest ang ating celebrant, and we now enjoy your dinner at para samahan po tayo ng iyong family. Also, again, we will enjoy the band and the music from our guest performer. Palakpakan po.
Hey, sound. Sound check. Check. Sound check. Sound check. Sound check. Ready your first song.
time first set, something happened, there's